Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make university assignments. First, thoroughly read your assignment brief, paying close attention to every detail. Understand what is being asked, including the word count and formatting. Identify key terms like analyze or discuss to guide your approach. If anything is unclear, ask your instructor for clarification well before the deadline. This initial step is crucial for setting a strong foundation for your work. Next, dive into your research. Gather relevant information and take meticulous notes, always recording your sources for easy referencing later. After research, brainstorm your ideas and create a detailed outline. This plan, often a skeleton of your final paper, helps organize your thoughts logically. Crucially, formulate a clear thesis statement, which is your main argument, to provide direction for your entire assignment. Now it is time to write your draft. Structure your assignment with a compelling introduction, well-developed body paragraphs, and a strong conclusion. Each body paragraph should begin with a clear topic sentence, followed by supporting evidence and your explanation of how it relates. Always maintain a formal, academic tone. Remember to integrate proper referencing for all sources to uphold academic integrity. Finally, dedicate ample time to editing and proofreading. First, edit for the overall structure, ensuring your arguments flow logically and clearly. Then, proofread meticulously for any grammar, spelling, or punctuation mistakes. Reading aloud can help catch errors. Double-check all formatting requirements and ensure your referencing style is perfectly consistent. A polished assignment, free of errors, significantly enhances your grade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.